Hey there beauties, it's your girl Kristen here. I'm a licensed esthetician, an educator, mentor, a YouTuber, and a mom. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and I'm really excited to share with you in this episode my Amazon summer beauty favorites. These are items you're not gonna wanna miss. Amazon was generous enough to send me a huge box of items about a month and a half ago, and I've been able to just try them out, pick and choose what I love. This is also in honor of Prime Day, which is coming up July 12th and 13th. Of course, everything's gonna be linked down below. Prime Day is also good for any other item. So if you're looking to buy things for your esthetician room, for your kitchen, whatever, be sure to check out Prime Day, again, July 12th and 13th, to see if your items that you love to purchase regularly are gonna be on sale. But anyways, I'm gonna be showing you specifically some summer must-haves, and I'm gonna be doing a massive giveaway in this video. You're not gonna wanna miss it, so be sure to watch the very end of the video and continue watching. Thank you so much for continuing to watch this video. I'm really excited to dive right in. But first, before we get into the actual items, the must-haves, I want to share with you guys what the giveaway is in this video. When I got this email about this giveaway, I was super excited because I know a lot of you guys watching also order everything on Amazon. What I'm gonna be giving away in this video is a $500 gift card to Amazon. So I will be sharing with you at the end of this video how to enter and what you need to do to potentially win that $500 gift card. Please, please, please like this video while you're at it, subscribe to your girl's channel, and let's get right into these beauty must-haves. The very first item I wanted to share with you guys was this baby right here. This is the NuFace Trinity device. It's also an award-winning beauty product. Maybe this is the first time you're seeing it. I have a lot of experience using this device in my treatment rooms. I use this device to help do facial toning, contouring of the face, and what's great is that NuFace makes a retail version. So while I use the pro version in my treatments, this is a great, great, great thing to use on a regular basis on your own face. You know, gravity's not on our side. We're gonna start to sag and see some like loss of definition, and so this is using microcurrent to help tone and lift things again. This particular one is Trinity with attachment capabilities. So I know there's also the mini and the fix version, but I highly recommend getting the Trinity with the attachments because they also have an eyepiece attachment and an LED attachment that you can also use with this device. This is definitely something I've been really excited to incorporate into my daily skincare routine. I've seen what it does in the treatment room, and I'm excited to see what it can do for me as I use it. Be sure to check this out, especially with Prime Day coming up. You never know, this could be on sale. I had to go and grab some of this stuff out of my kitchen because these are items that I actually use on a daily basis. And I believe glowing starts with inner health. So I'm gonna talk about that first because I think it's really important to tackle these things in order to see changes in your skin, in your hair, and just your overall health. And so I grabbed a couple of supplements that I've been taking regularly. A probiotic with prebiotics and cranberries. A few months ago, I started to just really start to break out a lot of my cheeks and my chin, and I find that that's really associated with one, hormones, and two, I believe like diet and stress. I feel like I needed something, and I've heard a lot about taking probiotics, and I'd kind of dabbled with it before, but I never really was consistent with it. I will tell you, I've been very consistent with taking a probiotic over the last couple months, and I have seen a world of a difference in my skin and just my digestion. All of that has been just so much better. And my skin, I mean, of course, I still get an occasional little like pimple here and there, but I do not get breakouts nearly as much as I used to. And then fish oil. I just started taking this maybe about a month ago, and fish oil is really going to be, I mean, of course, great for overall cardiovascular health, but also the essential omega fatty 3 acids are what give your skin more plumpness. It's just gonna look healthier. Your skin's gonna glow more. I ain't no doctor, but I just know. And I've noticed that this one doesn't make me have like a weird like fish burp or anything. You know, like sometimes some supplements give you that weird taste in your mouth. This one has given me no issues with that. So I definitely believe you need to be taking these to see changes in your skin. Maybe you're someone who's been dealing with acne or just excessive oiliness. This can help really balance that out. Now moving on from inner health, we're gonna be moving outwards. Let's start with some skincare, okay? Amazon actually has a lot of brands, skincare brands now. They also have their own skincare line, but of course, you know, I'm always gonna be an advocate for using professional grade or medical grade products. So a couple lines that I noticed that they have are Image and PCA. So let's start with Image. The Daily Tinted Moisturizer with a 30 SPF. And what I love to do, because I know this formula can be a little thicker, is I actually mix it with the mattifying formula, the just regular SPF with no tint. These two together, oh, amazing. Guys, I have not had to wear foundation in a really long time. Since my skin has been really good, I haven't had to deal with a lot of like blemishes lately, so I've really just been combining these two together, and I feel like it gives me a great sheer amount of coverage. And then of course I go in with like my concealer just to kind of conceal under my eyes and a little bit more of my like freckles. But these two together have been awesome, because I will say, you know, this is the new formulation from Image, and I know a lot of us have been kind of like not so happy about it, but they changed the formula to support coral reefs and the ocean, and also adding in blue ray protection from like our phones and our laptops. I'm all on board with it. I've been still using this formula, and I still feel like it doesn't leave me oily. It's a little bit different of a scent than their other one, but I'm still happy with this one, and I've made do. It liquefies this one and it thickens up this one. So try it out. Let me know what you guys think. Also, those aren't just my only two favorite Image skincare products. They have almost all of their skincare products, except that, you know, some of the MD stuff and other items that I think like aren't as popular, but a lot of their more popular items are available on Amazon. Image and PCA are actual storefront on Amazon, so they're legit products. They're not fake, you know. I know that that's kind of been an issue in the past, where sometimes you buy stuff on Amazon, it can be like you don't know what the hell is actually real and what's not. So that's the way I kind of make sure. And so I've definitely made sure that these products that I link down below are the real deal. I've posted in my link down below. It's going to be under skincare and beauty must-haves. So more skin stuff. Let's see here. Okay, so here is the Coola Face Mist with SPF. I get this question a lot from clients, from friends, and they're like, what do I do when I'm wearing makeup? How do I reapply SPF? Because I don't want to ruin my makeup. So this is actually a really nice light face mist with SPF in there, and it's not greasy, it's lightweight, plant-based, and water resistant. I'm gonna actually spray it right now, and I've tried this before. It's very light, it smells good, it doesn't smell like that nasty, you know, sunscreeny smell. This could be a great solution for those days that you are wearing makeup, but you're out in the sun, you're at the beach. Go ahead and spray yourself with this. And also there are powders out there, but I find that powders tend to kind of like get cakey and dry me out. So I like the idea of having kind of like a spray instead. And I've used this a few times already, and I don't feel like it makes me look greasy or shiny, so definitely check it out. Another great item, and I mentioned this one to you guys in my nighttime skincare routine video, but this is the PMD Skin Facial Scrubber, and I use it to cleanse my face with my facial cleanser. I've massaged serums into my skin. It has 4 different settings, and it has really saved my hands and fingers from doing this motion a lot. And as an esthetician, my hands and my arms and my wrists in particular can get really tired. So this has been giving me some relief to be able to use a like facial scrubber tool. And what I love is that it's silicone, so it's really easy to clean. It's not gonna harbor bacteria. And I just love the color too. It comes in like all these different colors. I know PMD also has body scrubbers as well with like a loofah attached to it. So check out PMD's whole store. I actually am a big fan, so check them out. Hair care item that I've been liking a lot is this texturizing hairspray. This is by, I don't want to butcher this name, but Joico. So I actually sprayed some in my hair today. I love doing this like kind of waved look. I don't really like using really hard, crunchy hairsprays. I love a texturizing spray because it does kind of help you tame it, but it's not gonna make it feel like you can't run your fingers through it, you know what I mean? I really like the smell of this one. If you don't have a texturizing spray you love, try this one. But a couple other things that maybe you didn't think of, and one of them is this OPI cuticle oil. You know when you go to the nail salon and after they do your nails, they always put this oil on afterwards and your hands just look just like, you know, moisturized and they're looking good. And so I actually think it's really important to have an oil for your cuticles daily, especially when you're gonna be out going to the beach or you're wearing heels or sandals. Your toes and your hands are just gonna be more exposed. So when you're using a cuticle oil, it's gonna make it so they don't look as dry and crusty. Because like I know for me working with my hands and water a lot, my hands get really dry sometimes. And so using that cuticle oil around my fingers and my toes keep them looking nice. One of these other ones that I got in the beauty box was this hair remover. It's by Flawless. That's what the brand is called. It is a electric hair remover. So you use it in circular motions and it's kind of like shaving your face. I like this design more than like one of those like razor looking ones, because I feel like I get a little scared using those, and I think you have to be kind of like using a certain direction. And I think this just makes it a lot easier to just go in circular motions and do it all around your face, just out of ease and not having experience maybe shaving your face. Of course, I'm not gonna say that this is a good replacement for a dermaplaning service from an esthetician. I'm always gonna recommend that as a professional, that you're gonna get a way better result getting dermaplaning from an esthetician. But this is a great kind of like little teeny tool to bring with you in your bag on your trip or just daily use, because like me, I'm a really busy person. I haven't been able to go and get a dermaplaning service. This is just a really nice way to get rid of my mustache and a little bit of my chin hairs. It's really easy to use and it's painless. I've been really enjoying having this on hand. Oh my God, I almost forgot. This has been one of my faves. I have always been a lover of tanning, but of course, again, being a busy mom and business owner, I don't always have the time to go and get spray tanned. And also they can be a little expensive. I've been seeing a lot of influencers and YouTubers using self-tanners. This is by Bondi Sands. This is the Australian tan, and this is in dark. And I actually tanned myself a little earlier. I'll put a clip in here. And I let it sit on my skin for about 4 hours, and I'm pretty impressed of like how even it is. And I did this last weekend as well for 4th of July, and it lasted about a week. And so I think that's pretty good for a self tanner. And I did buy the applicating mitt with it, and it goes on really streak free. I love the smell, and honestly I think one of the things that bothers me the most about spray tans when I get them professionally done is the smell. So I really enjoy this. It has a light coconut smell to it. You could leave this up to 6 hours on your skin and then rinse it off. They do have one that is 1 shade lighter than this one and then 1 shade darker than this one. So I actually think I'm gonna try out the ultra dark formula and see how that looks on me, because I feel like it's nice, but I feel like I could go a little darker. 2 more things, okay? Stay with me, then we're gonna get into this giveaway. This has been a life changer. This Anastasia Brow Freeze product, guys, I'm almost like out of it at this point. I have been using them on my eyebrows. I do have my brows laminated right now too, but I love just using gel just to kind of, again, keep them even more tame. The feathered brow is in. I feel like it just makes my eyes look bigger. It makes them look fuller. Try it out and see how you like it, because I feel like I love the way feathered brows look. And then I started using this Laneige lip mask, and it smells super yummy. And it goes on nice and creamy, and I wear this at nighttime. Leaves my lips just so kissable. Yeah, you guys, I think that's all I have time to share with you. I plan to announce the winner for this giveaway in my next video, and then the gift card could be sent to you like pretty immediately. Here's how you're gonna enter in for this giveaway. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and you're gonna be following me at KristenMarieCo_ on Instagram and at Amazon Influencer Program on their page. And then when you've done all of that, comment below, Glow Girl Summer. This video is about glowing from the inside out. I'll throw this in there. If you want an extra entry, go ahead and take a little clip of this video and then tag me on your Instagram story, not a post, on your story. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys go and enjoy these purchases. Again, check back in on Prime Day on the 12th and the 13th to see if any of these items are on sale. Happy shopping, and I will see you guys back here on Monday for a new one. And until then, I love you, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.